Hey there guys, Chet here. Sometimes your deals or tasks seem to completely disappear inside of Pipedrive. You might panic and think your data is gone forever, but the reality is that your information is still there. You're usually just looking at the wrong filter or layout. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your views and find everything you need. Now, you'll need a Pipedrive account to follow along. If you have not set one up yet, I have a special link right down in the description. If you click that link, you'll get a 30-day free trial with all the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. To get started, go to the left navigation and click on the Deals tab. Once you're on the Deals page, you'll notice four icons sitting right at the top left of the screen. These icons let you switch between the four different views in Pipedrive. Let's go through each one. The first view is the pipeline view, and this is the default layout that you will land on every time you open your deals. This is the Kanban style layout where your deals are displayed as cards moving through the stages of your pipeline. You can see each stage clearly across the top. For example, qualified, contact made, meeting arranged, proposal made, and negotiation started. And your deals will sit as cards inside of each stage. This view gives you a clear visual picture of where every deal stands in your sales process, and then you can drag and drop deals from one stage to another directly from here. Most people work from this view on a daily basis, and it is the one we will be using the most throughout this course. Now, the second view is the list view. When you switch to this one, your deals change from the card layout into a clean spreadsheet style list. You can see columns like title, value, organization, contact person, and expected close date all laid out in rows. This is useful when you want to compare multiple deals at once or when you need to quickly scan through a large number of deals without scrolling through your pipeline stages. The third view is the forecast view. This one organizes your deals by their expected close dates across a timeline. Now, you can see deals grouped by month, for example, March, April, May, June, and each deal shows its value in dollars. This view is extremely helpful when you want to understand how much revenue you're expecting to bring in over a specific period of time. Now, if you have set expected close dates on your deals, this view becomes very powerful for planning ahead. The fourth view is the archive view. This is where deals that have been archived will be stored. If you ever archive a deal, it does not just get deleted, it moves out of your active pipeline and it sits here. If you open this view and see a message saying no archive deals found to match your criteria, that just means that you have not archived any deals yet, and this is completely normal when you're just starting out. To switch between any of these views, just click the corresponding icon at the top left of your deals page, and Pipedrive will instantly change the layout for you. All right, that's it for this video. I hope this really helped you understand how to change the view of your deals in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.